Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Web Pet Care YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about the vaccination schedule of dog and cat. If you have dog or cat, then you should watch this video. In this video, I will tell the vaccination schedule, why vaccination is important and what point should be considered before the vaccination. So let's take one by one why vaccination is important. Vaccine is a mild form of disease which is injected into the body to provide immunity against that infection. There are certain viral and bacterial infections which are life-threatening to your pet. In case of dog, the canine distemper, canine parvovirus, infectious hepatitis, parainfluenza, rabies virus, and in case of cats, feline calicivirus, feline panleukopenia virus, feline leukemia virus are some agents which impacts the negative effect on pet's health. So, to eliminate the chances to catch the infection, vaccination should be done. The vaccination of dogs and cats are totally different. In case of dogs, first vaccination should be done at the age of 30 days for canine parvovirus and canine distemper. In case if you purchase a dog or adopt a dog of 30 days old, in that case, this vaccination must be done. Another vaccination should be done at the age of 45 days for canine parvovirus, canine distemper, infectious hepatitis, parainfluenza, leptospira. Certain manufacturer companies also added coronavirus in this vaccine. After 21 days, this vaccination should be repeated. Then again after 21 days, this should be repeated. And then again after 21 days, last booster should be repeated. After that, every year, this vaccination should be done. Another virus which is very common and fatal, the rabies virus. Vaccination for this virus should be done at the age of 3 months. After that, every year, this vaccination should be done. There is bacterial infection called kennel cough, which is caused by the bacteria Bordetella. Vaccination for this infection should be done at the age of 14 weeks. Then repeat it at the age of 6 months. After that, every year, vaccination for this infection should be repeated. In case if you are going out of the city or on vacations and you consider the pet boarding, in that case, this vaccination should be done before the boarding. This eliminates the chances to catch the infection from other dogs in boarding house. There is another bacterial infection which is transmitted by the ticks called Lyme disease. The causative agent is Borrelia bacteria. Vaccination for this infection should be done at the age of 14 weeks. Then repeat at the age of 17 weeks. Then again repeat at the age of 1 year. After that, every year vaccination for this disease should be repeated. In case of cats, first vaccination should be done at the age of 2 months for the feline viral rhinotracheitis, feline calcivirus, feline panleukopenia virus. Then repeat this vaccine after 1 month. Then again repeat after 1 month. After that, every year vaccination should be repeated. Another viral infection called feline leukemia virus. Vaccination for this virus should be done at the age of 3 months. Then repeat it at the age of 4 months. After that, every year vaccination for this viral infection should be repeated. Another viral infection, rabies virus. The vaccination for this virus should be done at the age of 3 months. Then repeat after 1 month, and then every year vaccination for this virus should be done. There are certain points which should be considered before the vaccination. Vaccination just eliminates the chances to catch the infection from these infectious agents. But there are certain reasons which causes the vaccination failure. The most common is breaking in the cold chain. Cold chain is a system of specified low temperature from manufacture to the point of use. Any increase in the temperature above this specified low temperature causes the vaccination failure. So, do not purchase any vaccine before the due dates or in large stock. Always vaccinate your pet at the veterinary clinic or veterinary hospital to eliminate the chances of this vaccination failure. To remember the due dates of vaccination and deworming, the vaccination and deworming card should be prepared. This card available in almost every veterinary clinic or hospital. Your pet may become less active for 1 or 2 days after vaccination. This is common. This suggests that the vaccination works. Also, before vaccination, deworming should be done to get more benefits and more immunization. So guys, if you love this video, do like and share with your friends.